So I just had something come in yesterday and I thought I would get on here and share. I'm super excited about it. It's the new DJX Spark. It's amazing. I'm really excited to get in and test it out. Seen a lot of things, run some local models myself, and really interested to see the performance. And so let's jump right into it. We'll get this thing unboxed and see what's inside. Luckily, this came FedEx. We've been having trouble with USPS and getting our shipments in. Also, you had to sign for it. I got this directly from NVIDIA, so that might be something you want to keep in mind. Really nice box here, had little tearaways. The lid came off really nice, and there it is, the nice gold color. Picking it up, it was pretty good weight. You can see there's the ports initially. We'll go through these later. And there's the front where the airflow comes in and then comes out the back. Sorry, I know this is a little bit choppy. Also in the box came with the quick start guide as well as the power cables. And that was it. So there's the power cables, and again, the box. As you can see, we got the power button here on the left and 4 USB-Cs, an Ethernet port, 2 Connect X7 ports, and an HDMI port. The far port here on the left is where the power cord goes. And that's it. That's all that we have. So I have rounded up all the components that we need. I got an HDMI cable and hooked that up. I've got our power cable connected and we're ready to plug that in, as well as a mouse and a keyboard. I don't have a USB-C type, so I have this into a little switch. And this is a USB to a USB-C, so that way I only have one of them and I can plug it in, and then both of these can still be used. So we're going to get these plugged in and then we will power it up. Okay. We are looking good. Put some of this away. Okay, so I turned on the monitor and this is what I saw. So it's already was powered on and it says, "Welcome to the DGX Spark. Connect your keyboard." I know it's a little blurry. It's the best I could do for you to see. Right now, I must have moved my mouse. I think it picked it up, so I'm going to use the keyboard. And nothing. I unplugged it and plugged it back in, and it worked, looks like. So we're going to get started, it says. So you can set it up. So US English, UTC. I am Mountain Standard Time. Here we are. Standard time. Keyboard English. Yep. That's good. Always accept all the terms. There we go. Right. So we're going to go with Saturday, as I think it's important for you to name your devices, especially coming into the future with AI and leveraging what they are all capable of. I was able to go through the rest of the login, set the password, and now we're just starting to download the latest updates and the patches. It's going to go through some different loading sequences. I'm just going to kind of speed through it and kind of cut out some of the boring parts for you. So it looks like we got the start building and privacy notice, but we're in and looks really good. So really excited to kind of dive into here and show you what there is. So there you have it. It's officially unboxed and all ready to go. I'll be doing the next couple videos showing some of my favorite services such as Hermes and some other AI platforms that I leverage like vLLM, and Excited to see you next time.